In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy RP. RP in League of Legends. If you're new to the game or just need a refresher, RP, or Riot Points, is the premium currency you use to unlock champions, skins, event passes, and other cosmetic content. The process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it so you can make your purchase confidently and safely. Start by launching your League of Legends client and logging in. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and region where you want the RP to appear. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top right corner. You'll see your currencies displayed there, RP and Blue Essence. Next to your RP balance, there's a small plus sign. Click that plus sign to open the purchase window. On the left side of this window, you'll see a list of purchase methods. Different regions offer different options, so choose the one that works best for you. Some methods may have processing times, fees, or specific requirements, so take a moment to read any notes or prompts that appear. Pick the method you're comfortable with and proceed. After selecting your purchase method, you'll be asked to choose how much RP you want to buy. You'll see different bundles, and sometimes higher tiers include bonus RP. If you're planning a bigger purchase or looking at event content, compare the bundles to get the best value. When you've decided, select the amount you want. From there, simply follow the on-screen instructions for your chosen method. That might include entering billing information, redeeming a valid code, or confirming the purchase through a bank or mobile prompt. Keep your information secure, use a trusted network, and only enter details directly in the client's official payment window. If a verification code is required, enter it accurately and promptly so the purchase completes smoothly. Once the payment is processed, RP is usually added to your account right away. If it doesn't show up immediately, give it a minute, then check your purchase history in the client or restart the client to refresh your balance. If there's still a delay, review any confirmation messages from your payment provider and make sure your region selection is correct. That's all there is to it. Log in, click the plus sign next to RP, choose your payment method, pick the amount, and follow the instructions on screen. Spend responsibly, double-check the bundle you're buying, and enjoy your new content. Thanks for watching, and happy playing.